Hi children, today we are going to do a very interesting exercise. Let's look at preposition and we're going to look at the word in preposition. Yes? Now, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. Look at the picture and the word used in preposition. The word preposition we are using is in. Look at the picture and let's read the sentence. Yes? Look, let's look at our first picture. See what we have here. See the picture here. What do we see? We see a little boy at the seashore. What's he doing? He has buried his feet into the sand. You saw? What is the preposition we are using? In. Now I'm asking you a question. Where are his feet? His feet. The feet are in the sand. Where are the feet? In the sand. So we are learning to read the sentence, use a preposition in the sentence too. Sentence begins with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Where are the feet? The feet are in the sand. Do you like it? You enjoyed? Let's look at another picture. The use of in, the preposition in the sentence. What do you see here? A little bird sitting in the nest. Where is the bird? The bird is in the nest. It's a branch of a tree. The little bird is sitting inside the nest. So I'm asking you a question. Where is the bird? The bird is in the nest. In, we have put the preposition in color. So you learn to read the sentence. The bird is in the nest. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. See what we have here. Look at the picture. Where is the little girl? There's a little car and she's sitting in it. Where is the little girl? The girl is in the car. Is she outside? No. In. She's sitting in the car. Preposition in. Look at the sentence. Read the sentence with me. The girl is in the car. Are you enjoying the exercise? Usage of preposition in, looking at the picture, reading the sentence. Let's go to another picture. See what we have here. Your favorite little pet. Where is the pet? In the kennel. Very good. Where is the little dog sitting? The dog is in the kennel. What's a kennel? It's a dog's home. The home of a dog is called kennel. Preposition in. Where's the dog? In. Read the sentence. The dog is in the kennel. Good. Let's take a new picture. There's a bowl of fruits, variety of fruit spilled over outside too. Now, where are the fruits? The fruits are in the plate. There's a huge plate here filled with all kinds of fruits. The fruits are, where are the fruits? The fruits are in the plate. In. The fruits are in the plate. Preposition in. Look at the sentence. The fruits are in the plate. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look at this. Picture of a jungle and there's someone sitting there. Who is that? There's a lion sitting over there. Probably so thirsty, come to drink water. Where is the lion? The lion is in the forest. Where is the lion? In the forest. In is the preposition we are using in the sentence. It's a beautiful scene of the lion sitting over there looking at you, isn't it? Do you enjoy? Shall we look at another new picture? Look, and the use of in preposition in the sentence. Now, where is the car? Dad has put the car in the garage. Where is the car? In the garage. What is a garage? A place we keep our vehicles. Yes. The car is in the garage. Where is the car? The car is in the garage. Get the picture? Preposition in and the sentence. You learn to read. We are learning to read sentence. Shall we look at a new picture now? Yes. Here we are. There's a little boy sleeping in bed. He probably is sick. Where is the boy? The boy is in bed. He's in bed. He's not well. He's sleeping. Preposition in. Look at the sentence. Read the sentence. Where is the boy? The boy is in bed. Why? In bed with fever. He's not well. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look. Look at the picture here. Night time. Where is the moon? There. The full moon is in the sky. Where is the moon? The moon is in the sky. Preposition in, written in red. Read the sentence. The moon is in the sky. You like the picture and the sentence? Usage of preposition in. Let's take another new picture. See what we have here. Where's the little boy? The little boy is in the boat. And then where's the boat? The boat is in the river. It's going in the river. Yes, where is the boat? The boat is in the river. And what's he doing? He's rowing forward, going somewhere. A preposition in. The boy is taking the boat in the river, down the river, into the river. Preposition in. The boat is in the river. Good. Shall we go on to another picture? Look what we have here. There's a big shelf of books and well arranged. Where are the books? The books are in the shelf, neatly arranged. Where do you keep your books? In the shelf. Yes, the books are in the shelf. Preposition in used in the sentence is colored. Where are the books? The books are in the shelf. Books are in the shelf. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Preposition in. Good. Let's go on to our next new picture. See what we have. A lovely little pond. Picture of a pond. And what is in the pond? Froggy is jumping around. They're very happy in the cool pond. Where are the frogs? The frogs are in the pond. Where are the frogs? The frogs are in the pond. One jumping in, another one is already in. In the pond. The use of in preposition in the sentence. Let's take another picture. See what we have here. Do you have one like this? A lovely fish tank. Okay. Now, into the fish tank, what do you put? Yes, colorful, tiny fishes. Where are the fish? The fish is in the pond. Can you see the fish in the pond? Here, here, over here. They are all swimming about. They are happy. Where are the fish? The fish is. Where is it? Fish is in the pond, in the tank. The fish is in the tank. There's a fish tank that we normally keep in our house. In the tank. In its preposition, look at the sentence. The fish is in the tank. Fish tank. Good. Let's go on to another picture and look carefully at the sentence and the use of preposition in the sentence. Look, Where is the little boy? He's in his room. The little boy is very happy. Where is the boy? The boy is in his room. Look at the neatly kept room. He keeps his room neat. The boy is in his room. In preposition, read the sentence with me. The boy is in his room. Let's take another look at a new picture. See here. We are at the zoo here. All the animals are there. Wild animals. Where are the animals? The animals are in the zoo. What is a zoo? Where wild animals are kept for you to go and see. The animals are in the zoo. Can you see? All kinds of animals here. Giraffe and zebra and whatnot. Animals are in the zoo.